Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from BRENSPEED. It's 3-Valve Wednesday. Hey, it's been a while, but today we have a bone stock 05 GT that we installed our Paxton Throwback package on. We're going to talk a lot more about it. We're going to watch a dyno pull. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. And then we're going to see what this car lays down with nothing but our throwback package. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, before we go down, take a look at the awesome mod on this car today. I want to talk a little bit about 05 Mustangs. So this has cloth interior, no options on the interior of this thing. But when I bought my first 05, I ordered it back in 04. It came in December of 04. I remember I ordered the interior upgrade package. This is a quick little story before we go check this out. But they never, they didn't have it. I heard rumors of there's a lawsuit, something about the interior upgrade package. They couldn't do some of the things they wanted to do. I also heard there's a part shortage. So they called me and said, hey, we're gonna give you what's called IUP Lite. You know, you might get some of the package, not all of it. I said, dude, do it, that's awesome. So I had that in mind. This has no interior upgrades in it. And then as the years went on, you could get the interior upgrade with all your cool bezels and steering wheel and the dash that would adjust color and everything. But here's what we have, 70,000 miles. Now I know from dyno in this car, this engine's tight. You can just tell this thing does not get beat on. Doug, come down, take a look. It's our Paxton 1200 throwback package. It's non-intercooled. This is our least expensive supercharger package. Easy way to add 150 raw horsepower. What do you get? What do you get in the package? Well, you're gonna get the 1200 upgradable non-intercooled supercharger. What I mean by upgradable? Well, down the road, you wanna make more power, you can buy an air-to-air intercooler upgrade. I'll put a link in the description. You can read a lot more about it. And that does come with a smaller pulley to increase the boost a little bit. But we include a Kenny Bell booster pump or some sort of voltage booster. You're gonna get Kohler spark plugs. You're gonna get 47-pound fuel injectors. Now, some of you watch this video, you're like, man, I swear these always had 39s. Well, they did, but Bosch discontinued 39-pound fuel injectors a couple years ago. So all these kits right now come with 47s. You get the nice air induction system. It's a complete package with a proper calibration so we can ship it right to your door. We keep these in stock. So if you want one of these, we can ship it out to you with the right calibration and put it on your car. Or you can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, hey, I want to come to Indiana. What's it cost to get installed? We can let you know. You can come in, put the car in the dyno. It's going to be awesome. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're on 93 octane. We have a 5-speed manual transmission. Doug, come here, take a look. DynoJet SAE, 452 raw horsepower, peaking at 6,700 RPM. Torque comes in at 390 at 5,100. I do want to talk about next mod you would do to this right here. Those are great numbers because these cars stock. You understand, I know everyone loves Coyotes. In the Coyote world, they lay down great power. I love those cars too. But these cars only lay down about 270, the tires stock. We rate this at 150. You're gonna add 150 horsepower. This car is doing well over that. That might be a little bit underrated, but it's a sweet setup right here. What's next? What would you do next? If you have our throwback package, 2 months. This has stock exhaust manifolds, stock cats, set of long tube headers. You can do a set of pipes, set of cooks, the catted mid pipe. You could do H-pipe, that's gonna give you the deeper growl. You're gonna do X-pipe, it's gonna be more raspy. And instead of Detroit rocker cams, easy way to add 25, 30 horsepower, get that nice muscle car lope. Hardly any low end loss with those, so that's a sweet setup. But a lot of people are always like, what's that growl? When I want some exhaust, what's that growl? I won't go into mufflers because there's all kinds of mufflers out there, but H will be deeper, X is gonna be higher. Detroit rockers are the way to go. On a centrifugal like this, like a Paxton Vortec, where they got the big 2200, You got the 1200 Fire NA cams. They're gonna have better low end when you're not in any boost. And then we have a supercharged grind for you out there that might be running some sort of twin screw or TVS supercharger. It's gonna be making a little bit more horsepower up top versus the NA, but the NA are the way to go in this setup. So if you have any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. Thanks so much for sticking around for 3 Valve Wednesday. Email quote@brentspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? And open up that description. I'm gonna put links to this kit right here, as well as some other of the parts we talked about. Thanks for watching.